Now in exercise 2.6, question number 6 is a word problem. In this word problem, it is given that the ages of Hari and Harry are in a ratio 5:7. So whenever something is given in ratio form, we will convert the ratio into x form. So since it is given ages, so we will write let the ages, and we will mention the age. Let first name is given Hari, so let the age of Hari be 5x because it is given 5:7. Since 5:7 is given, we will suppose the first name as 5x and the second name is Harry. Harry will be 7x. So suppose the age of both as 5x and 7x. Now 4 years from now, it is given 4 years from now. 4 years from now means after 4 years. So after 4 years, the age of Hari will change. Hari will become 5x plus 4 and Harry will also become, his age will be also plus 4. Because we are finding the age of both the people and the age is added, therefore we will add the age of both. First it was 5x and 7x. After 4 years it will become 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. So this is the age after 4 years. Now it is given ratio of their age. Now you have to compare the ratio of ages of both. So what is the ratio of their age? This and this number will be written in ratio form. So it will become 5x plus 4. Ratio means divide. So 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4 is a ratio. The ratio becomes 3:4. It means after 4 years, if we compare the age of both, it will become 3:4, which means 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4 is equal to 3/4. Now you see it becomes like the beginning questions of this exercise. Now you have to just cross multiply the terms and then solve it. So we will cross multiply. When you cross multiply, 4 will cross multiply this, 3 will cross multiply here. So 3 into, you can keep any number on one side. So I am keeping 4 bracket 5x plus 4 on one side, and 4 will multiply here, 3 will multiply here, is equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. So 4 into 5x plus 4 and 3 into 7x plus 4. Now multiply. 4 into 5 is 20x, 4 into 4 is 16, is equal to 3 into 7 is 21x and 3 into 4 is 12. So 4 into 5 will multiply, 4 will multiply 5, 4 will multiply 4, 3 will multiply 7 and 3 will multiply 4. Both the numbers are multiplied. So 4 into 5, 4 into 4. Sign is also multiplied, 3 into 7 and 3 into 4. Now it is simple. Bring the terms, like terms on one side, so 20x, and bring 21 on the left side, so it will be 20x minus 21x is equal to 12. The right side number I have written first. Now bring 16 on the right side, it will become minus 16. So 20x minus 21x, 12 minus 16. 20x minus 21x will become minus x when you subtract, and on the right side 12 minus 16 will become minus 4. So the answer is x is equal to 4, because both these minus signs will cut each other. So now this question is not the question of variable, it is a question of word problem. So since it is a word problem, in the end you have to write what was x. Now x is just a number. We suppose that the age of Hari is 5x. So now you will write Hari's age is 5x. 5x means 5 into 4, and Harry is 7x. 7x means 7 into 4. So it will give you two answers. The age of two people, 5 into 4 is 20. It is 20 years and he is 28 years. So these are the two answers which you get in question number 6. So let's quickly revise. The age of two people is given in ratio form. Since it is in ratio form, let the age of both be 5x and 7x. Then it is given 4 years from now. 4 years from now means after 4 years. So after 4 years their age will become plus 4. So 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. Then it is given compare the ratio. Find the ratio of both. So ratio of both means 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. Write it in ratio form is equal to 3 ratio 4, which means 3 upon 4. Now this becomes our equation which we have to simplify. When you simplify, it will multiply, you will cross multiply it. So 4 into 5x plus 4 and 3 into 7x plus 4. Multiply 4 into 5 20, 4 into 4 16, 3 into 7 21 and 3 into 4 12, and then transfer the numbers. X terms you bring on left side and number you bring on the right side. So 21 comes here and 16 comes here. So when you change the side, you change the sign. So 20x minus 21x is equal to minus x, and 12 minus 16 becomes minus 4. Answer is x is equal to 4. Both the minus signs cut. So Harry's age becomes 5x, which is 5 into 4, because the answer is x is equal to 4. So you put that value of x here. In place of x you write 4. So 5 into 4 20, and Harry is 7x, 7 into 4 28. So we get two answers, 20 years and 28 years, which is the question 6.